Hi guys, this is Sir Lan, and for today's video, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-factor ng quadratic trinomial 4a is not equal to 1. So, which I call it the diagonal method. Okay, number 1, we have 2x squared plus 11x plus 15. Okay. 2x squared plus 11x plus 15. Ang una natin gawin dito is we have to factors the quadratic term and the constant term. The quadratic term is 2x squared and the constant term is 15. So the factors of the quadratic term 2x squared is 2x times x, that is 2x squared. And then for the positive 15, we have to use 5 times 3. 5 times 3. Okay, dito na po yung magagamit natin yung tinatawag nating diagonal method. We are going to multiply the factors diagonally. So we have x times 5 is equal to 5x. And then 2 times x is equal to 6x. Okay, after is we have to add the product of the diagonals. Okay, so 5 plus 6 is equal to 11x. Kapag ang sum dito po is equal to the linear term or the middle term of our quadratic. So therefore, mga factors natin, tama yung mga factors natin. So, straight lang po tayo. Okay, 2x plus 5, the factors are 2x plus 5 and x plus 3. Okay guys, kapag hindi po mag-match ang sum natin dito sa linear term natin, ibig sabihin po, mali po yung mga factors na inailagay natin dito. Okay, so pwede tayo maghanap ng ibang factors ng 15. Okay, pwede din tayong mag-switch sa mga factors. Same as with the quadratic term, pwede din natin itong silang i-switch, ang 2x at sa x, kapag hindi po sila mag-match dito. Okay? Okay, number 2. 3n square. Factor 3n square minus 8n plus 4. Okay, so, unang gawin, factors natin tong quadratic, then factors natin tong constant term. So, 3n square can be factored as 3n times n. Ayan po. And then for 4, actually there are possible factors of 4. Okay, 4 can be factored as 4 times, 4 is 2 times 2. Okay, pwede din siya negative 2 times negative 2. Pwede din 4 times 1. Okay, pwede din negative 4 times negative 1. Okay, so based on the factors, pipili tayo dito. Okay, our guide here is this negative 8. So, based on the factors, mas maganda gamitin natin itong negative 2 at saka negative 2. Kasi the middle term is negative 8n. Okay? So, let's try negative 2 and negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 for a positive 4. So, multiply it natin. No? Diagonally po kapag multiply. So, n times negative 2 is negative 2n. And then, 3n times negative 2 is equal to negative 6n. Tapos, add natin sila. Okay? Plus po ito. Negative 2n plus negative 6n is equal to negative 8n. Okay? So, as you can see, negative 8n and then negative 8n. Kuha po natin yung middle term. So, ibig sabihin po is tama po itong mga factors na ginagamit natin. So, paano ba tayo mag-set up ng factors? Okay? That is equal to 3n minus 2 po tayo. Straight lang po ha. So, 3n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 2. n minus 2. So, ito po yung factor ng 3x square minus 8n plus 4. Answer item number 3. 2n square plus 3n minus 9. Okay? So, ang step po, ulitin natin, no? Factor natin to, tapos i-factor natin tong negative 9. So, the factors of 2n square is 2n and n. And the factors of negative 9, actually marami pong factors ng negative 9. Okay? Negative 9 can be factored as 3 times negative 3. Pwede din ang negative 1 times 9. Pwede din ang positive 1 multiplied by negative 9. Okay, pipili tayo dito, no? sa mga factors natin. So, let's try 3 and negative 3. So, we have 3 times negative of 3. Note po, yung target natin is positive 3n. So, the next step is we have to multiply it diagonally. Diagonal po ang multiplication natin. So, we have 3 times n or n times 3 is equal to 3n. And then for this, 2n times negative 3 is negative 6n. Add natin sila, no? We have 3n plus negative 6n. The result is negative 3n. Okay, ito na po yung sinasabi ko kanina. Okay, kapag hindi po pareho ang sum natin dito sa middle term, so pwede tayong mag-switch. Try natin mag-switch ng factor sa negative 9. Okay, pwede itong una, yung gawin nating negative. So yung una, try natin negative 2, tapos itong isa is positive 3. Still, that is negative 9. Okay, so multiply natin diagonally, n times 3n, n times negative 3, sorry, is negative 3n. Tapos, 2 times 2n times 3 is equal to positive 6n. So, add natin, negative 3 plus 6n is equal to positive 3n. Okay na, so, namatch na natin, positive 3n at saka positive 3n. Therefore, tama po yung mga factors na nailagay na natin. So, set up na natin yung answer. Yung factor form niya. So, straight lang po 2n minus 3. So, we have 2n minus 3 and multiplied by the quantity of n plus 3. Okay. So, we have 2n minus 3 times n plus 3. Okay, so for item number 4, I want you to try answering this problem. Factored 5x squared minus 18x plus 9. Okay, please write lang your answer in the comment section. Huwag kalimutan po mag-follow, mag-like, and share po para more videos pa po ang gawin natin. Daghang salamat po.